fresh salted codfish, wild. The best products from the farm, like the chickpeas. This one, fresh. Very good. It is from the bushes that we have the best turnip greens we can have. The already frozen turnip greens are the best for our recipe. Let's go! Hello, welcome to our show, The Cook, the Thief, His Wife and Her Lover. I'm none of them. And today's special, our dish is sautéed codfish and turnip greens with chickpea puree. Turnip greens. While I put my beautiful apron, I'm going to show you the ingredients for this recipe. This recipe serves two. So for this quantity we will need a deep frozen desalted codfish loin, half an onion coarsely chopped, roughly chopped, not too fine. Some olive oil, 3 spoons, parsley, also coarsely chopped, chickpeas, more or less half a kilo, some minced garlic, milk, and turnip greens, 250 grams approximately. Now we are going to start our recipe.
Poach the cod in a pan with water for about 6 minutes. When the cod is cooked, drain it and let cool slightly. Keep some of the water in case of need for the chickpea puree. Sauté the onion over low heat with olive oil until the onion starts to turn slightly soft and transparent. Drain the canned chickpeas. Do not rinse. Drop over the sauté and allow to cook for 10 minutes, stirring frequently. Remove any skin and bones and flake the cod with your fingers. Set aside.
While we cook the chickpeas, we are going to heat some more olive oil and add the minced garlic and saute it. I'm going to steal the wood and saute it until tender. Just a couple of minutes. Then add the turnip greens and combine everything, always under medium heat. You may toss this. It's very difficult to toss. Toss. I don't know how to do this. So you will have to saute this until wilted. Otherwise it will be a little bit crunchy. It's too much. I don't like it. So allow 5 minutes to do this at minimum, and then we are going to add the codfish flakes we set apart a few minutes ago. Add the codfish and keep stirring to combine both ingredients. It's hot here. And I don't know why I'm wearing this. It smells good.
Mash the chickpeas with a hand blender, pouring some milk, enough to give the desired texture to the puree. Avoid serious accidents with ridiculous actions.
Add the parsley to the chickpea puree. I have to say that I'm not adding any salt to this recipe, as the codfish is already salted, so are the chickpeas. So no salt in this recipe. We are going to plate this with the help of a mold, and let's see what's happened. First, we put the codfish and the turnip, oh hell, what a name, turnip greens first, a layer, and the first layer is with this, press a little bit to have some space to allow this, and now get the mash, the chickpea puree, and add this. Hopefully this is going to work. Like the Mount Everest. So now we are going to try to take the mold out. Okay. And to finish, we add a drizzle of olive oil and a parsley leaf. I used to add a chickpea but I forgot to reserve a chickpea, so it's like this. It's done. I hope you like it. Enjoy if you are going to replicate this recipe. Here it's too early for dinner, so I think I'm going to freeze this. Thank you. Bye. Is this Bill Rouge? I'm not sure.